The last member to the C-suite has, in many companies, been the Chief Risk Officer. Once combined to a risk committee or subgroup within a larger department, the role is becoming increasingly important in organizations across all sectors. In 2002, a Deloitte study found 65% of surveyed companies had a Chief Risk Officer or equivalent. In 2010, 86% of companies did. Since 1950, the Risk and Insurance Management Society, or RIMS, has been working to advance the practice of risk management in all sectors. Its annual conference this year, running from April 15th through 18th in Philadelphia, has been a networking and educational forum for thousands of industry professionals for 50 years. Ahead of the conference, Mary Roth, Executive Director of RIMS, sat down with ILStv to talk about the changes she's seen in the industry and at RIMS throughout her career.
The changes I've seen since joining RIMS in 1985 and then becoming Executive Director in 2006 have been quite impressive. Our members have changed from a heavily insurance-focused group to more of an integrated or enterprise approach to managing risk. Risk is throughout an organization, and part of the job of the risk manager is to ensure that everyone within the organization understands what risk is and uses risk management to make their business decisions. So risk management in the organizational setting has also become more defined or recognizable. Risks our members face, are constantly and rapidly changing, and the importance of scanning for emerging risks has changed since I started here at RIMS. People who are not involved in risk management don't understand the breadth of it within an entity, and it isn't all about, purchasing an insurance policy. There is so much more that the risk management group gets involved with. Purchasing insurance is a transfer mechanism, but there's so much in prevention and loss control and reducing losses, as well as identifying, assessment, setting risk tolerance levels, setting a company's risk appetite. How much risk are you willing to take? As far as the conference goes, we have to keep pace with the changing demands on the risk management front. So we have to continually evolve our conference. And our conference program committee, it's their commitment to ensure that the most relevant topics are in our educational sessions. But one thing I will say, the one thing that stayed consistent over the years is our members' needs to meet face-to-face with other risk professionals, to have time to talk to their peers, not only their risk management peers, but industry peers, people outside of their immediate focus within an entity. It may be someone that's, their focus may be claims or business continuity or supply chain management or even strategic planning. They need that face-to-face contact, and they get it all there at the conference. So that, in my 26 years of going to RIMS conferences, has not changed.